how to rename video file on your iPhone. If you want to rename file, photos and videos on your iPhone, then this video is for you. To do this, first of all, open your gallery and select the videos or photos or files that you want to rename. Once you have selected it, scroll up. There you will see the name of the video. Now it is named as PR Replay. Now I will change it. Click on the share button and go to the save files, and here you need to change the name. I am replacing it with new one. Now hit on save. Now if you go into the files, you will see that downloaded video. If you press hard on that video, there will be save to device option. Click on that and your photo will be back on your gallery with new name. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.